Hi everyone, I am back with Chart of the Week series. In this series, I picked my favorite Elite Wave setup out of all the other setups that have been detected by True Wave Scanner. For this week, I will be picking a stock from S&P 500 universe. So let's get started. And the stock that I have picked for this week is MLM. Marietta Materials, and if you see this chart in True Wave Scanner, you can see it has been detected from this significant low as a 5-wave sequence 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Question mark basically means it's not sure whether the 5 is completed or is it still in 4, but likely 5th has started. When the 5th has been confirmed, you will see a 5 without a question mark. So now I like this chart because it seems to have a clean setup. This looks like impulse. This is very steep, and 3 also looks like impulse. There is no overlap between the area of 4 and 1. And this looks like some kind of consolidation. So I opened this chart in my trading view for a deeper analysis. And here is how it looks. So you can see this is how it is marked 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There is slight difference in my markings. In True Wave Scanner, 4th was detected here, and then it showed that 5 is likely going on from here or possibly has not started. But I have put my 4th here because this makes more sense. I will tell you why. And let's start from this, the most significant low from April, and here you can see this is 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. So there is an overlap between 1 and 4. So this is kind of a leading diagonal. So I am marking it as such so it's more clear. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this is 2, and then here we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 legs. So that is essentially third leg, and after that we can see this correction till this point. This could be W, X, Y, X, Z, and from here we can see a 5-wave rise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which looks like 5th to me, and this whole sequence has likely completed at this point, and this could be wave 1 on the upside or wave A. And afterwards I can see a clean ABC in 3 waves, which is likely wave 2 or wave B, right? And if you notice, this low in 2 is around the previous degree wave 4, so which is a guideline that corrections many times in elite waves, when they happen around the previous degree wave 4. So that fits the criteria well. And from here you can see this is a very steep rise, which suggests that it's likely the new leg, the new 5-wave sequence, essentially wave 3 or wave C on the upside has started, right? And this week you can see, and this is last week's candle, which had a pretty strong close well above these both 3 and 5 highs, right? So that suggests that fresh move on the upside is likely starting. So now what to do about this setup? So we know that 1 or A has completed likely, and 2 and B has completed. So what now? And third is starting. So what we can do is we can measure the size of this move. Let me enable the magnet so we have these highs and lows picked out correctly. So this is the 5 and this is the retracement. And in elite wave, we have a guideline that third waves are usually equal, at least equal, or 1.6 times of wave 1. So this is wave 1 or wave A. doesn't really matter. It could be any of those. And that gives us equality target of 662. So right now the price is at 585. This is a potential target where wave 3 or C might end. It could also be 1.6 time, which gives a target of 741. But to be a bit conservative, I would say 662 is a much more practical target. So the potential target is this, and this low, the low of 2 or B, what is marked as 2 or B, that is our invalidation point. So basically if the price falls below this point, then this view gets invalidated, right? As long as this low is holding, we can expect this price to continue moving up to the equality level of 662. There are many more charts like MLM, which you can find in True Wave Scanner. So if you go to True Wave Scanner, you can see there are a lot of charts, a lot of setups for you to analyze, and the ones you like you can shortlist. For example, I have shortlisted MLM, which I have shared in this video. So you can just shortlist and kind of do a deeper analysis on them. True Wave Scanner is free for now. You can sign up for a 30-day risk-free trial without having to provide a credit card. Make sure to take advantage of this. I hope you liked this setup. If you did, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more chart of the week updates in the future. That's all for this update. Thank you.